today we're going to be talking about the difference between water, acid, and base using litmus paper. So let's start with this liquid. Now let's put in the blue one, and as you can see, it did not change. So it either is water or base. Now let's try the red one. You can see that it changed, so that means that it's base. Now the second liquid, let's try putting in the red one. As you can see, it does not change. Now we can try the blue one. And it does not change as well, so this is definitely water. And last but not least, this one, we're gonna put in the red one to see what it is, if it changes or not. As you can see, it does not change, so it's either acid or water. And now, let's put in this one, and it changes to red, so this is acid.
And if you're gonna ask about the paper, it's litmus paper. That's color, that's blue. That's why if you put it in acid, it turns red.
Thank you all for listening. This has been Yusuf with my friends here, and goodbye.